We at RBMI believe in applying the adult learning principle of learning by doing. Our constant endeavor is to help the students learn from the industry experts, explore what interests them, and gain practical skills. Our students love quenching their curiosity by spending hours in our highly resourceful lab. Under the live project assignment, students get to push their creative limits and create meaningful solutions. Let me take you to one of the current live projects in the IoT research lab. The students worked on building a web server for home automation. As the name suggests, home automation involves introducing a degree of computerized and automatic control to certain electrical and electronic systems in a building.
To make physical changes to the device, the user triggers actuators, the physical mechanism like smart light switches, motorized valves, or motors that allow devices to be controlled remotely. We build a web server that allows the user to quickly build interfaces for controlling and monitoring hardware projects from their iOS and Android devices.
There are various benefits of home automation. It is time and cost effective, highly convenient for the elderly, and make it easy to access all the appliances in just a click.
At RBMI, we are committed to nurture 21st century professionals right from the start.